जवानी छुपाओगी रानी, अरे कब तक जवानी छुपाओगी रानी, कबारों को कितना सताओगी रानी, कभी तक किसी की दुल्हनिया बनोगी, मुझसे शादी करोगी, 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 मुझसे शादी करोगी। झुमका दिलाऊंगा, कंगना दिलाऊंगा, सब कुछ मैं लाऊंगा तेरी कसम। चंदा चुराऊंगा, दौरा मिलाऊंगा, सूरज झुकाऊंगा तेरी कसम। तभी तो मेरी दीवानी बनोगी, मुझसे शादी करोगी, मुझसे शादी करोगी, मुझसे शादी करोगी, मुझसे शादी करोगी। मांगता है दिल, दिल दिल मांगता है, दिल मांगता है दिलदार सोनिए, तू आजा सोनिया। प्यार का कर ले, कर ले, कर ले, कर ले, प्यार का कर ले करार सोनिए, तू आजा सोनिए।
Everyone's been tapping.
I totally agree. That was some really great music with some really powerful dance. Okay, now at this point, I would like to thank all the people who have supported this event. First of all, we would like to thank the UMKC Student Government Association for supporting this event. We would also like to thank our co-sponsors Zen Informatics for their generous contribution. Zen Informatics is one of the fastest growing software consulting and development firms in the Midwest. They provide extensive training in software development, databases, quality assurance tools, administrative tools, and more. Along with providing a competitive salary, Zen Informatics also sponsors H-1B visas and green cards for deserving candidates. We would also like to thank our co-sponsor UMB Bank for supporting us. And finally, a special note of thanks to the Block School Student Association for the help that they provided at the last minute.
Well, after this colorful dance performance, I think it's time to move on to a different kind of an event. We had dances, singing performances, presentation. Next, we have a bunch of people with some acting talent. They have a story to tell in their own unique way. But instead of giving away the surprise, I think we should let them do the talking.
Two UMKC students living in just another apartment in Twin Oaks. Patil and Reddy were very good friends and incidentally good roomies too, till fall 2004 came. No, it has nothing to do with the weather. With every fall comes a fresh batch of Indian girls to UMKC, and Indian boys, they start their games. But some girls are smarter than what they expect.
ऐसे लोग थे जिनके प्यार को प्यार मिला गाजुआ का बिल्ला भी गाजरो लगाना भी जीता मलेदा गाजरो लगा लेता गाजुआ के बिल्ला मारी गाजरो लगे बिल्ला में गाजुआ के बिल्ला मारी गाजरो लगे
Reddy yaar, I am feeling too lazy today. Can you make some tea for me?
What, man? If you don't take a shower for a week, this is what will happen.
बस क्या Reddy भाई? You are in America. Apply perfume, deodorant everywhere at all places. All bad smell odor gone. It's been ages, Reddy. Put your clothes for laundry.
So boring, Ra. To wash all these clothes. Back in India, cute and hot Yadama used to wash all my clothes. She was a babe, man. See, Ra, I take bath every day. Then why should I wash my clothes?
Multi logic.
I guess, man, it is more important that you take a shower. You cooked today, right? Your food smells like you. Rotten.
You want me to take shower or you want me to do CS 520 homework for you?
Atil Ra, do that homework and give it to me.
अभी आया ना तू लाइन पे.
I wish, man, I had been in this electrical department. I could also sleep well like this guy.
Things are absolutely fine between Patil and Reddy till they come across this hot and sizzling new Indian student in UMKC, Riya.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
अखियों ने रात क्या जादू किया क्या जादू किया क्या जादू किया
मैंने कोई जादू नहीं किया तू ही मेरे पीछे आया पिया मैंने कोई जादू नहीं किया तू ही मेरे पीछे आया पिया
Hi, can you please tell me the way to go to Sweeney?
Come, I will take you. Let's go. Bye, Reddy. See you later. मौसम की बरसात है, बढ़ गई तो सबके लिए प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा, खासकर मेरे लिए. Today is Chancellor's birthday, and today afternoon APC is organizing free dinner. Go there.
Really?
Do you think I joke? I give all information about all free food. I don't have CNR, huh?
Oh, what about your friend?
He is my roommate. He has to clean the restroom today.
Okay.
Let's go.
In the next few days, both these guys come across Riya again and again. And as usual, one is happy and the other one is disappointed. Away from the prying eyes of their parents, they know that this is the last chance for them to get a girl before their parents exhibit them in the market of arranged marriage. So they try their level best, That's it. The old story repeats. A girl between two friends and friendship ends. Life doesn't remain same between Patil and Reddy.
Hello? Mummy? Yes, mummy. हाँ mummy. I washed all my pajamas, mummy. Mummy? सरी का वेनिपिस्ट ले तू. Line clear कर ले तू mummy. हाँ mummy. Washing $2.
Hey, Gulti stud. Chup be. You are disturbing my sleep and other nightly activities.
सो जा घाटी सारे सो जा. हाँ mummy.
Oh, Reddy, come on, baby, come on. We have to go for a party, Reddy, come on.
Mummy, cross connection, mummy. Mummy, I'll call you later. No, mummy. TV is on, mummy.
जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती रत्नाकांचित बाळा तुझ्या गौरी कुमरा चंदनाची उटी कुमकुम केशवा जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती रत्नाकांचित बाळा तुझ्या गौरी कुमरा चंदनाची उटी कुमकुम केशरा हिरे जडित मुकुट शोभतो बला.
Hi!
Hey, Ria. Come in.
Up and down.
Had breakfast, huh?
Yeah, I did, Reddy.
I cooked some carrot halwa for you, Ra. Would you like to taste it?
Sure, I'd love to.
And the hell did he cook halwa? Didn't even tell me. Ria, did any of the professors respond to you regarding funding?
No.
Surprise! I am research assistant in networking. If you show your interest and keep in touch with people with knowledge and experience in the field, getting funding is not that difficult.
Up and down. I am kind of interested in this subject, and I heard that this professor has a lot of funds too.
Whenever Reddy gives food with affection, it causes infection.
That is because ye ghati.
Hey, Gulti?
Okay, guys. I'll see you guys later. Reddy, can you please email me the homework? I need to submit it today.
माना इससे लिया उसको दिया इसलिए बाप ने नाम रखा रिया.
नाम है मेरा कौन से का बेबी हमें तुम नहीं जानता नाम है मेरा कौन से का बेबी हमें तुम नहीं जानता.
Hi, guys.
Hi. You are not in the Walmart bus today?
Actually, Pradeep took me to Walmart in his car today. I say people are so good. 4 seniors came to pick me up from the airport. They arranged all furniture in my apartment. Every day, someone amongst them calls me to eat food at their place. Pradeep made drumstick biryani yesterday, and it was yum.
चालू item है बे.
Hey, we are going to an Indian store. Guys, we're getting late. Bye.
These juniors, they develop American accent the moment they land on the airport.
We still talk in our style, man. It's been 2 years.
I don't know English also properly.
You're a ghati. Tofil 200. Nobody will mind. That much English literacy is not expected from you.
Life is so simple. To keep in touch, with a girl continuously, go wherever she goes. Ria has joined an organization called AID. Let's see what Patil and Reddy are up to. Hey Sachin, have you heard about AID? They gather funds for Indians.
Can I apply for assistantship there?
Oh, hey! People do a good job out there. We found this organization in this university.
We only made Pradeep the Pepsodent, I mean president.
So you guys will be there in the meeting today? It'll be fun working with you guys.
Hey!
Oh yeah. Today we'll have fun working together. Tomorrow we'll have fun doing other things together.
Up and down. So see you guys in the meeting in the evening. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Well, Reddy, the last time Pradeep gave a long and boring speech on poverty in India, you got pissed off and you abused him as man. Bang, take, and you plan to get into aid. I'm sure you'll need first aid.
Man, I don't know what to say. I was drunk that day. He told me he will show me a Hindi movie DDLJ in Telugu. He stopped that in between, started his 250 slides presentation on Indian poverty, disease and all. He betrayed me. Reddy can tolerate everything, but betrayal. Reddy. Hey Pradeep, how are you, man? I heard there is an aid meeting today. I plan to join aid this year.
Are you sure about it?
You know what? I went to India this summer. I saw poor people, hungry people, here and there. I'm having sleepless nights, man. They are begging in my dreams. One man comes there and tells me, I like it up with Baba. I like it up with I want to do something for them. Please take me in, man.
Oh, okay. That's good. You're most welcome in our organization.
Hey Pradeep, how is it going? I was planning to join your organization aid.
Hey, what makes you suddenly think about aid?
You know what? I went to India this summer. I saw poor people here, there, everywhere. I'm having sleepless nights. Young woman, old woman, middle-aged woman in skimpy clothes, having dead and alive children together in both of their hands, are begging in my dreams. I'm feeling very sad. Please take me there. Please.
Whoa, okay. You know what? Why do you come for today's meeting?
Sure, I'll be there. Thank you.
My. These guys are ready to go to any extent. Well, now that both these guys have managed to get into the organization, let's see what kind of stupid ideas they come up with to impress the girl. As usual, Reddy and Patil go to the meeting at Indian stretchable time. That is when the meeting is about to end.
So, I think we had a good discussion in this meeting. Anyone has any ideas?
According to me, we should keep Thanksgiving in India. All poor people who don't have anything to eat or wear can go early in the morning and grab TV, computer, CD player, VCR at a very low price.
Do you really think they require all this?
Listen, man, don't interrupt. Next day, they can sell all these things on eBay and buy food grains and clothes.
We can open vada pav stalls on the highway and generate revenue. All aid volunteers will stand on the highway and anyhow try to stop the cars and offer vada pav and lassi. I will make vada pav and this Reddy will stop all the cars.
But it can be dangerous, guys.
So what? We will lay down our lives for you.
Hey!
For our countrymen.
Up and down.
Whoa, okay. I think that's enough for today. See you all next meeting.
Guys, I'm celebrating my birthday tonight. I'll be really glad if you guys could make it.
Patil, man, what do you think? Plan to go?
No, I don't have time. I plan to go to lab tonight. I have loads of work. Barabar. What about you? You plan to go?
Nora, I don't want to screw up my sleep for that stupid girl.
Hey, fake reliare.
ये तो सिकंदर ने भी नहीं था सोचा आने से पहले खुशी लौट जाएगी हमने सोचा था क्या और क्या से क्या हुआ जा रहे हैं आज ये ज़माने को बता के ये क्या Yeah.
I'm making some tea, Ra. Would you like to have?
Sure, I've completed the homework. It's on the table. Reddy, are you doing your laundry today?
Hey, Reddy. Could you add this one shirt of mine with your laundry lot? Thanks a lot, dude.
गाजुआन बिल्ला में गाजलो लगाना सीता बलेदा गाजलो लगलेदा गाजुआ के बिल्ला मारी गाजलो लगे बिल्ला में गाजुआ के बिल्ला मारी गाजलो लगे बिल्ला में
That's not all that new students see about UMKC. Well, while some guys were busy falling over each other for a girl, we had some other guys creating explosions. We are not talking about the dangerous and violent kinds, but the ones that thrill you and shake the ground below your feet.
Our next performance is a high-energy dance performed